Then in the year 2005, this SSA Global has re-released this as SSA ERP LN 6.4. Okay, and after developing this product in the year 2006, SSA Global was acquired by Infor Global Solutions, and currently the present market, like the present Infor is using this product. Okay, this is the so coming to the history of Infor LN, like the origin and the growth was started by the Baan Corporation. Like, see the product that you are currently using, the Infor LN 10.7 or the older version or any version. So this product was not developed by Infor. Basically, this product was developed by Baan. So I'll tell you from where. Like the Baan Corporation was started in the year 1978 by Jan Baan. Basically, this Baan Corporation was from Netherlands. So like basically this Baan Corporation company was from Netherlands. Okay, and what they have like decided, or what they have focused initially, like they focus only on finance, like financial and administrative consulting services. Like, okay, when they started, they only focus on these two aspects, like financial and administrative consulting services. Okay, and like they developed the Baan 1 in the year 1979. This was the first software they developed. Okay, and in the year 1981 they introduced a Unix based platform. So which means like different types of computer hardware can work together, or like can be run on, like can be run easily. So that was like very flexible for everyone. Okay, and the growth and the expansion of this Baan Corporation was started in the year, like in early 90s. Okay, like in the year 1991, Baan developed a Triton software, so which was renamed again like as Baan only. And so this software was like modular, which means like customer could buy the different parts of this software, so that worked together easily. So this was the advantage. So that's why in the year, or in early 90s, but this Baan software was very becoming like very famous in the like in early 90s, 1990s. Okay, especially after Boeing started using it in it was like very famous in the in all industries. Like in the year 1994 Boeing started using it. Okay, so this Baan was very famous. So what they have done, they developed this Baan 1 to Baan 4 in the year 1996. They they released a software, okay, Baan 4. So that was very big hit for them, because this Baan 4 was from manufacturing and distribution. So that was a very big hit for them. Okay, and so to improve its their product, what Baan decided, like they decided to acquire several companies. Like, so to improve their product, like they acquired, you may heard about Coda, Caps Logistic. So they acquire many big companies also. So this acquisition helped them to offer more features and reach more customers also. But there was a financial challenges facing for them. In the late 90s, 1990s, Baan faced financial problems, like due to the rapid growth and the tough competition in the market. They faced the financial challenges, so they try to maintain a sustain in the market, but they struggle for 1 year, I guess. And then in the year 2000, or in the early 2000s, in Baan has the Baan has sold their product to Invensys. Basically, Invensys is a UK based company which only focuses on automation and controls only. Okay, this company. So what they have done means, like Invensys have acquired the Baan for $700 million. So what they were during the acquisition, what they have aimed means to combine the Baan ERP solution with its own product. But investors don't know the product, they don't know the market. So that was a failure for them. Okay, they try to they try to hold that product for 2 years. Okay, I'll tell you what Invensys has added to the Baan 4 functional, to the Baan 4 product. What they have added means like they focus on integrating the Baan ERP solution with its automation and control system. So they aiming to offer a sensor to boardroom solution. That was their aim. They focus on only these aspects only, but they don't know the market and they don't know the product also. So they struggle for 2 years. So in the year 2003, Invensys sold these Baan product to SSA Global Technologies. Actually, SSA Global Technologies wanted to buy during the year 2000 only, but for them, as these $700 million were very big, so they were like, okay, they leave it. So in the year 2003, when they got a chance, so SSA Global first they buy this product from Invensys at $135 million. Okay, and then they renamed this product as SSA ERP LN. Okay, and these SSA Global Technologies know the product and they know the market also, and they know how to use this product. Okay, what they have done means in the year 2005, SSA Global released SSA ERP LN 6.0, so which includes these several new features and improvements. I'll tell you what they have added. They like in the Baan 4 to the Baan 4 product. What SSA Global has done means like they enhance the software with the new features in SSA ERP LN 6.0, that was including the better integration and improve the functionalities. Okay, so what they have done, they build the product, they improve the functionalities, and they added some integrations functionalities to that product. Okay, and then in the year 2006, the Infor Global Solution, a major ERP company, uh, has acquired the SSA Global Technologies. Okay, so they acquired these product, these SSA Global, the Infor has acquired the SSA ERP LN 6.0 for $2.1 billion. Okay, in the year in the year 2006, and then this software again renamed as Infor LN. This is the software that we currently using. Okay, and Infor invested in updating the software, integrating with other Infor products, and adding new features to meet the needs of the various industries. Okay, and Infor has done the cloud capability. Like Infor LN now includes, what they have done means they added the cloud capability to the existing product. Now this Infor LN product can include a cloud integration, so that was allowing businesses to use the software over the internet. So this makes it easier to scale, more flexible, and reduce the IT cost now. And they what they have done means the software now has the advanced analytics and IoT, that is nothing but Internet of Things integration and industry specific solution. So they make this software as a industry specific solutions. So these make so all these things make what like it makes as a comprehensive ERP solution for the current businesses. Okay, and today Infor LN is used by manufacturers worldwide to streamline their operations and to improve the efficiency and support the digital transformations. Okay, this is the short history of Infor LN. Okay, I'll just summarize the history. Okay, In 1978, the Baan Corporation was started, and in the year 1991, they introduced the Triton software, and in 1994, Boeing started to use this Baan software. Okay, in the early 2000s or in the 2000, this Baan software was acquired by Invensys for $700 million, and in the year 2003 these Invensys the Invensys was sold to SSA Global for $135 million, and then in the year 2005 this SSA Global has re-released this as SSA ERP LN 6.4. Okay, and after developing this product in the year 2006, SSA Global was acquired by Infor Global Solutions, and currently the present market, the present Infor is using this product. Okay, this is the short history of Infor LN. I guess you understand the uh, concept. Okay, now